Hello, dear students. I, Dinesh Karmalkar, your computer teacher, welcomes you to JVM's New English School Kalwa online teaching classes. And today we are going to see the next practical of Standard 7th. Now, the objective of today's practical is today we are going to do a very special lab activity which is given on page number 43 of your book. It is a very lengthy lab activity. That's why I divided this lab activity in the three parts. Today we are going to see the part 1 of this lab activity, in which we are not going to do much. It is will be a sort of revision for you of form making. We are used how to use form for entering the data in Excel. That again we will revise that, how to make forms in Excel. For typing, entering the data, around 10 to 11 records are there. All we are going to type with the help of the forms. And for doing this, the software requirements are Microsoft Excel. For Windows, we are going to use Microsoft Excel, which is a part of Microsoft Office. And for Android mobile, we are going to use the Microsoft Excel app. So in the today's question, that is the part 1 of lab activity, which is very lengthy lab activity given on page number 43. So what I done in this part 1, we are going to create a table with the given fields which is on the page 43, and we are going to enter the data with the help of the form. This much we will do for the today's part. Then in the part 2 and part 3 we will see what are the other steps are given. So for completing the today's part, let's open our Excel. I'm taking a blank book. Now before start entering the, let's first only save this and give it as lab activity. I'm giving the name as lab activity page number 43. So this only I'm giving the name page number 43. Here only one lab activity is there, so no need of giving the number to lab activity. So this I'll save this because this same file we are going to use again. So here I'm not going to write part 1 because again for all the three remaining two parts also we are going to use the same file. So our file has been saved. Now you can see lab activity page number 43. Now in this, whatever the data, that same way I will type in the same way it is given in the book. So first let's see here in the starting, it is given here on the top heading is given that circuit mall sales. It is given that I will type here circuit mall sales. Now for this, here the font which is taken is the red here. So I made it red, and also around for whichever the here around total 6 fields are there, that I am typing here. Afterwards we are going to do the formatting here. So in the third column it is typed, so I am using there only I am typing. The first field is used is the invoice number number here, and second field is the customer. The third field is type. Next field is product, and next is quantity, and the last one is price. So this around 6 fields are there. Now I will going to make this is little bit lengthy. I will take it 20, and let's make them Arial at least around it. So they look a little bit here. In first is invoice number, then customer, let here it is type, product, then quantity, and the price. Now what they had done, the top which we have seen for this, all these 6, this you can do only after seeing this. We required here 6 fields. So all these 6 cells has been merged here in for this circuit model. So I will click here merge, and then I will make it a little bit bigger here. I will take the size as 14. It is taken in the book for around 12 or 14, so I'm making it 14. And for making it dark, I will use here Arial black, so it can be done. Also below this, what is there, that also has been merged center. So these two things has been merged here. The first here, the first row and second row are both are merged, and merge up to the around 6th cell, because up to A to F, because these are the 6 fields we are using for up to tell up to this they are being merged here. So for merging, if you remember, you just have to select this and click merge and center. So this we are done for the first and the second row, which is given in the book. Also here we can see the headings which are there, that are given in the blue color, so that I'm going to use here. This blue color has been used in the book, so I'm using this blue color. So this way we are done the formatting part. There again, then borders also are given, which we will see afterwards. First let's start type, then we will do the border. Let's select this, and you know how to this forms we have practiced now so many times. And this, if you remember, the forms option is in the file menu, in the more, and in the options. Here it is there. From here you have to bring the customize ribbon. From here we are bringing, and you have to go to commands not in the ribbon, then go for F for form, and then we have to edit here. Already I added here form, so again I'm not adding. Cancel here. If you are not added the forms, I think we are added now. So many practicals finished. So these forms you have to select. So after selecting all these 6 fields, I will click form. Yeah, so invoice number is first. So whatever invoice number in the book that I'm typing, it is starting from 101. Then customer, it is there. It is very small written, difficult to see. RS dot. I will take the capital in the first word, and here capital word I will take. Okay, then type wholesaler. Television. Then quantity it is 35, and total amount is coming around 7 lakhs. So for 35 quantity, the amount is there 7 lakh, I think. And then second, is same company is there, RS and company. Again it is wholesaler. The product this time is washing machine. Then 25 is the quantity. It's 70 lakh, here it is 25. So 2 lakh, 7 lakh, here 2 lakh 50,000. So that is correct, 2 lakh 50,000. Then 103, or that Gupta Enterprise Electronics. Gupta Electronics. It is retailer. And it is a mixer. The product is mixer. Quantity is 15. And here 1,27,500. 1,27,500. So let's take a new record. 104. Then Ramson's retailer. and then it is television, but it is a retailer, that's what the wholesaler is 10, and around is around 2 lakh. Okay, now 105, this Ramson's, then it is retailer, mixer, quantity is 15 for this, is 1,25,000. 106, Malhotra cottage, and it is a retailer again. Washing machine, and quantity is 12 and 1,20,000. 107, customer is Batra Electronics, and here it is now wholesaler. Then it is washing machine again, then 50, total quantity is 50, it's a wholesaler, the quantity is more 50 and around is 5 lakhs. Now 108, invoice number 108, it is Siarama cottage, retailer, and product is mixer, then it is quantity is 10, 85,000. Then 109, Shine Electronics, wholesaler, quantity, sorry, Shine Electronics, it is here. E should be capital, and wholesaler I have to cut it from here, right, it is here. Okay, and product is washing machine. So basically products are more washing machine, television, mixer, these are 3 to 3 products only repeated. So quantity here is given around, so wholesale, so quantity will be big, 30, and amount is also good, 33 lakhs. And last one is 10110, so in this again Shine Electronics, here it is, type is wholesaler, and television, and quantity is around 60, and it will be around 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs. So this data is given in the table which is given in there, so 101 to 1010, and one more additional information has to be typed, which is given in the step number 3. The first step is to type the contents given the beside table, the table we have typed here, and after typing the table it is given that open the form and enter one more data which is given as a invoice 101, that I am typing is the additional data. In this, which is given SR electronics, then it is a retailer, type is retailer, product is television, then quantity is 12 and amount is 2,40,000. So this one more record. So total 11 records, 11 invoices are there total that has been finished here. Now it is given the next step is close on the close button, and then records will be saved and we have to save the file. So this much is the typing work we have finished. So this much we have in the here. So you can see here the data has been typed. Only now remaining is they had given the borders also. So let's select all these things and give here border. Okay, this borders has been given here. We'll save this. Here in between the borders are thick given here, so we'll increase the weight of that borders. The line thickness is more. These are the thick borders here. Okay, so we require this only borders here, so we can get it now. So you can see we are getting a thick borders. We have selected a style as thick, and then we are given the these borders. So now we are getting a thick borders here. We had saved it. For 11 records are there. So the remaining steps which in which we are going to see what are the how to do criteria, then sort, all these things, filter, all these options we will see in the next practical. Only one thing you can give this also we can give different colors, which is not given in the book. When we can give this to different records, we can give different colors like this. We can enter the colors here, and let's say this record I am giving here yellow color, then this record I am giving orange. So every color, every line we can get a different one. Light color we will take some to differentiate records. We have to use, remember, light colors, so that whatever we type that can be seen. Here this repeated, so let's say different color. And one more thing we remember is we have to increase the size of this. It is this small. Let's make it at least 18. Yes, now see, you can see it clearly. Let's increase this little bit. And what we will do, we will make this everything in the center, so it will come properly. You can see. You can see our table has been completed. The next two part we will see what are the different things we can do on this table. So our table is typed. So let's see what we do in the assignment question. Before this I will save once again this. Now in the assignment, in the assignment I to type the Excel sheet given in the today's practical with 5 more records. So total I given here around 10 to 11 records. You make it up to 15 record. Add some more customer names. You can add the same names for different products or use different customers. Some of you take wholesalers, some of you take retailers, and products you can add whatever you want, like mixer, washing machine, or any other product which should be electronic products only. And quantity you add and give them appropriate prices and add for my records. So this is a very simple thing to do for the today's assignment. And the next practical we will see what are the different things we can do with this data which we have. So till then, thank you very much.